Hi friends, and welcome to another Phonics Fun video. Phonics Fun, again, is a time where we get to learn about really cool letter sounds and different kinds of words to help us improve our reading and writing skills. For this week, we're going to be focused on vowels, and specifically long vowel sounds. So, every vowel in the alphabet has a long and a short sound. So, a reminder, the vowels here are A, E, I, O, and U. Sometimes Y, but specifically we're talking about these 5 here. Now, what do I mean by short and long sounds? Well, the short sound for these vowels goes like this. Short A says A, short E says E, short I says I, short O says ah, and short U says Then we have our long vowel sounds. So each letter now is going to make a different sound. So long A, long E, long I, long O, and long U all say their name. So long A says A, E says E, I says I, O says O, and U says oo. But here's the catch. Long vowels are often spelled differently. In fact, sometimes they use more than one vowel when we spell them. So they really look like this in words. So long A has 2 different spellings. There's AI and AY. Long E, some different spelling patterns are EA and EE. Long I could be spelled IE in a word or IGH. Look at that, 3 letters for that one sound. Long O could be spelled OE or even OA. And then we have long U, which could be spelled UE or UI. What you'll notice here is a lot of these spelling patterns often have 2 letters or 2 vowels. What I like to remind myself, or one kind of rule I like to use, is when 2 vowels go walking, that means when I see 2 vowels together, one is doing the talking. In most cases, it's the first vowel you see. So even though these look kind of weird, they're still going to say that letter's sound. So AI together, we'll still just say A, and so on. Today we're only going to focus on long A. So as I showed you in the last slide, there's 2 different spellings. Whoops. 2 different spellings. So there's AI, which often happens in the middle of a word. These lines here are where other letters in a word would go. And then there's a Y. And this often happens at the end of a word. So often there will be a letter in front. So a I in the middle, a Y at the end. And I kind of like to remember it by thinking Y is more towards the end of the alphabet, right? So I'm thinking a Y is going to be at the end of a word. All right. So I'm going to show you a few words. Your job is to read the words with the long A sound. Remember, even though you'll see 2 letters, it's still going to make just one sound, and that's A. So AI says A, and AY says A. I'll demonstrate with the first word, and then you will have about 20 seconds to try each one on your own. All right, so first one here is rain. So AI, I know says A, N, N. Put it together, ain, rain. And notice here my timer has gone already. Great, so that's kind of how it will work for you. So what I would like you to do is really look for those spelling patterns. So it's either AI or AY in each word. Look out for those letters and know when you see them together, it's going to say A. You got this. Next one's all you. Alrighty, and the word here was say. S-A-Y says A, put it together, say. Try this one. And time. This one here is A, ray. Next one. 5 seconds. And done. This word here is nail. N-A-L, nail. Here's a little challenge for you. How can you change this word to make it say snail? Snail. Give you another 15 to think. I want to change the word so it says snail. And stop. All right, let's see if you've got it. Okay, now read this one. And time. So this is our word here. Snail. Snail. Notice that AI in the middle makes one sound. So to turn our last word, nail, into this word, snail, we just had to add an S. Next one. About 5 more seconds. And time. So this word is faint. 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 As if someone were to faint, which means to fall. Read this one. 5 more. And time. This word here is paint. Paint. Notice that AI in the middle makes that A sound. Read this one. All right, this word is pain. P-A-N, pain. Notice again the AI in the middle. All right, so we talked about AI and AY, which are two different spelling patterns for long A. But there's another spelling pattern, and that's magic E. So when we see magic E at the end of a word, it'll make that vowel, or the other vowel, say its name. So in this case, that E is giving some of its magic to the A so that it can say its name. So this word here reads K, long A, K, cake. So we have AI, AY, and magic E. With that being said, we're up to our challenge. So you are going to come up with 5 AI words. Remember, AI goes in the middle. And 5 AY words. If you're thinking, well, how will I know the difference? Remember, AI goes in the middle. So if you hear a sound after that A, it means that you're going to use AI instead of AY. Then what I'd like you to do is draw a picture for each of your words. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Feel free to tune in tomorrow for another Phonics Fun video, or watch this video again if you feel like that you need the extra practice. I can't wait to see what amazing words you come up with and pictures, because I have a ton of artists. And I look forward to checking in with you all soon. Thank you so much.